Hello everyone, so I've got another Your Creative Studio box to open today. I thought I got all the tape off and I didn't. So let's see what we can do here. Move the box aside. I see some bees. Looks like honeybees. There's the card. Lovely golden colors. So, I have a funny story. The other day, last week actually, I was cleaning the bathroom and what lands right on the counter? A very large yellow jacket. And it's the middle of winter, so I do not know where this creature came from. That's the disturbing part. Fortunately, there was a glass on the counter which I quickly grabbed and put over the yellow jacket, and later on I sent him outside. Here we have 4 stamps in the 2 sets, but yes, hopefully we don't have yellow jackets coming around who knows where. I think maybe he got in through the skylight, but yes, not a good thing. And they're not nice like honeybees. Okay, so let's stamp those out and get a closer look at them. Alright, we have all 4 stamped out here now, and they are lovely as always. So the first one, the big one here, is the flower and the bee. So there is a bee in it. But yeah, it looks really nice. It looks like a nice big flower. You can color it in with colored pencils or add some watercolor maybe to it. It's got a lot of, well, maybe alcohol markers too if you use the right ink. And then we have the honeycomb one with a couple of bees there, and then we have a couple jars of honey, which I really like these as a little accent. Yeah, I especially like this one. I like the shape of the jar and the little flower accent. So that is our beautiful stamps. What else do we have here? Let's have a look at the washi tape, masking tape. Really destroyed the wrapper there trying to get that, ooh, open. I like this. Oh, it's got, oh, that's kind of creepy, that giant bee there with the big eyes. Little honey jar, so we definitely have like a honey, summer flower, maybe bee theme going on here. I'm going to set this right here. And this looks interesting. What is this? Maybe a sticker pack? Not sure. I love the little Matchbox style stuff, but I really need to do something with it. I'm collecting quite a few and haven't done anything with my little Matchboxes. That was hard to get off. Oh look, it's packaged as well inside here. So cute little box. Maybe I need to make some little trinket gifts or something out of some of these. A lot of unwrapping today. Oh, I love this. This can also, I mean, these are daffodils. Got some coming up. My neighbor's got some coming up just now, but like the color scheme could work pretty well for fall also, I think. Ooh, I like this one a lot. I also need to use, I got all my stuff out, but I don't know, I've been in a bit of a creative slump, so, ooh, I love this one. So, I just keep finding other things to do. I just don't have a long block of time, and I haven't been using them, even though I got them all together. It's still all of it available in a rolling cart, but man, I need to do something with it. Ooh, I like that too. Dandelion here. Very cute. These are perfect size for a little traveler's notebook, journal, that sort of thing. So I'm going to just slip them in here, set them aside. What do we have here? Flower manual. This looks like a book of stickers maybe. Let me, oh, it quite is a book. And I still haven't made something, it's vellum, out of the last one, and paper. Ooh, I love these though. I'm not going to show them all, but look at that. That's so beautiful. This is Great for Traveler's Notebook. Oh my goodness. Stopped right in my tracks of talking. Look at this owl. He's so funny. He's so cute. He's got like a top hat and a little, what do you call it? Eyeglass thing. Ooh, I absolutely love this one too. This is just, oh, what's this? Oh, he's funny too. Military rabbit or hare. There's a lot I like in this little set. Ooh, I love that one. I might even want to work on trying to draw that too. It's pretty tiny though, but maybe I wouldn't get too fussy about the details then. Look at this beautiful thing. Wow, I could just keep flipping through. This is tiny, but you know, there's so many of them, it can't be too precious, right? Maybe that'll make it easier. Written memory. What do we have here? What? It's, oh, I do believe it's attached, huh? Sorry if I'm talking funny. Sometimes I get, you know, I was watching a show that has southern accents, and I don't know, sometimes I sort of like adapt or adopt some of it. Not that I'm speaking in a southern accent. So this is like attached, which is interesting. I kind of like that. It's not going to get lost. But then, you know, you might want to wait to use the packaging. But this makes a great tuck spot. But, you know, you might want to wait till you use up most of the papers. But, yeah, I like that it's all staying together there. Ooh, some little paper squares, I do believe, here. I really like the floral ones. Oh, again, it's attached right here. There's a little, that's kind of nice. Things aren't going to get lost in this kit. Ooh, oh, I love this one. It's vellum, I believe. And it's got oak leaves, it looks like. That's great for fall. And then, look, we have winter, next Christmas right here. Some holly. So, there's quite a bit of variety in this. And some daisies. Lots of, you know, multi-season. Oh, I like that pattern paper. They are small, but again, it's like perfect size for little mini journals. Here's another. So this, maybe the patterns repeat in vellum, because this is vellum also. Oh yeah, yeah, because look at that. Where'd it go? There's the holly. Cool. Oh, look at this! Oh my goodness, it's so precious. So this is a, oops, I'm out of frame, bookmark. I'm just going to hold it up so you can see it. And instead of taking it out, looks like it's just like a jewelry-like piece. You know, you just hang it on. Is that right? I don't know what this image is with this clip thing, because I do not see a clip. But yeah, that's interesting. This can also make great journal jewelry, you know, clip it onto your journal. This is cute. I like it. Great for a summer journal there. What's this? Dazzling flowers. Okay. Is it stickers? I'm not quite sure. Feels like acetate. Let's try to get a corner here. Oh yeah. So it is adhesive backed. It's like a full sheet of adhesive back. It's very shiny. I'm not loving the shiny, but, you know, just in small doses. We can put this, it's like holographic. Can you see that? Maybe? Yeah. So that is a lot more bling than my normal, like, junk journal style. But, wow, look at these dots. Yeah, I'm not immediately sure what I will do with this other than, you know, cutting out and using them as like individual stickers, but you know, you could use it as acetate also, but yeah. Any ideas, please throw them in the comments below. What does that inspire you to do with that? So it looks like we have the tissue here. Ooh, I like that. It's very rich brown, kind of golden color. Actually, I'm not going to take these out, so it's just the one pattern. There should be, I believe, 5 of them. I've shown it in a lot of my other videos. Then we have the clear stickers. I like this. It says be happy. This would be great, like a seal on an envelope and or Happy Mail, you know, just put that over. Also, as accents, you could make some ephemera with it. Yeah, there's lots of things I could do with this. We have some sticky notes. I always like the sticky notes. I do haven't used any of them up, I don't think. So, although I've almost used up one of my first boxes of, maybe I have used up one pad. So it's a little lopsided on here, but the adhesive part's up here. And then, you know, when this comes off, I might just use this card as a journal card in a journal as well. Last but not least, we have the wonderful pack of paper ephemera, which contains 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum paper, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. I'm going to pull out a section of them to have a look. I'm sticking to something here. So we've got more bee, looks like some beautiful dripping honey, and I love this little, I don't know what that is, some kind of fruit or something. Oh, this is great. It's a great neutral. And if you're not loving the bee, which I don't know, I mean, I don't know if I love the bee, honestly. Chop him right off, you know, use him for something bee themed or put as an accent in a nature journal or something. And then you can use this great neutral, the text there. This is a nice plain pattern here. Ooh, like the polka dots. And I love how these all go together so you can, you know, do a theme spread in your journal. Here's another very bee themed one. He's having some honey there. He's having some pollen there. I do like the different colored polka dot in this one. And then some honeycomb with some more bees. I have people in my life that are terrified of bees, and I just was chuckling because my spouse is one of those people, and I got to tell him all about this because he's still upset about the yellow jacket that we had. And yeah, so wait till he hears that the entire box is full of bees, but they're not the ones that can harm you. So as always, I love to hear your comments and your ideas, and please help me get out of this creative slump by, you know, with your creative comments and ideas, and yeah, throw them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful and creative day. Bye!